Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the basics. Make sure you know your device passcode and Apple ID. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Siri and search. You do this now because many options require confirmation and may prompt a system dialog. Make sure any Siri shortcuts or voice memos you want to keep are backed up or exported. Once in Siri and search, you're positioned to turn off the listening and activation controls in the next step. You'll disable the activation point so Siri stops responding. First, toggle off Listen for Hey Siri, then toggle off Press Side button for Siri or Press Home for Siri depending on your model. Make sure to also switch off Allow Siri when locked so it cannot be triggered from the lock screen. While here, disable Suggestions in Search, Lookup, and on Lock screen to remove proactive prompts. Once done, Siri will no longer activate or suggest actions, but some history may remain. Finish by erasing Siri data and restarting the phone. In Siri and Search, tap Siri and Dictation History and choose Delete Siri and Dictation History to remove stored transcripts. After deleting, restart your iPhone to ensure system services reload without Siri enabled. If Siri or suggestions still appear, check screen time restrictions, profiles, or device management settings that may re-enable features. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.